trailer load of grapes, fresh off the vine from the sunshine state of California. Headed east on 40. And there's Red Bull and Red Fan buzzing up a young man, dragging a boat to the southwest coast of Florida. Get your barracuda. And there's a semi smoking like a steam machine, running hot up a mountain hauling gasoline. Huffing and a puffing, brothers, that ain't nothing. See the get gone lane, there's a mad redhead drinking double shot black, lipstick on the edge of a Starbucks cup, clothes and shoes in the bed of that truck. Ain't a set of tail lights, she ain't passed, finger out the window, barefoot on the gas, she's hauling ass. Ain't nothing says ain't coming back like that. Feels like I'm sitting still, just a spinning my wheels, stuck in a traffic jam behind a red Trans Am. Dude's only doing 80, chasing after my baby. There goes a Lincoln, a beer train, hopper load of sweet grain, Cadillac, Hugos, guitars, pantyhose. God knows she's driving me crazy. I'm on a 911 highway patrol. Report a girl out of missing, running out of control. Tell them to turn her around, lay them spike strips down. See the get gone lane, there's a mad redhead drinking double shot black, lipstick on the edge of a Starbucks cup, clothes and shoes in the bed of my truck. Ain't a set of tail lights, she ain't passed, finger out the window, barefoot on the gas, she's hauling ass. Ain't nothing says ain't coming back like that.